In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move chart in TC2000. By the end, you'll be confidently navigating through your price history without breaking your flow. When we talk about moving the chart, we're really talking about panning left and right through time, bar by bar. A bar is simply one unit of your chart's time frame, whether that's a 1-minute candle, a daily bar, or a weekly bar. These same shortcuts work no matter which time frame you're using. To move through your chart one bar at a time, use the left square bracket key to go backward and the right square bracket key to go forward. Think of the left bracket as stepping back in time and the right bracket as stepping ahead. Each tap shifts your view by exactly one bar, keeping your zoom level and indicators intact. This is perfect when you want precise control, like aligning a moving average crossover with a breakout, or examining how price reacted to a prior level. If you want to speed things up, add the Shift key. Pressing Shift plus the left bracket jumps you backward 5 bars at once, and pressing Shift plus the right bracket jumps you forward 5 bars. It's a quick way to cover more ground while still staying methodical. Even though pressing Shift in a bracket might normally type a curly brace in a text field, in TC2000 this combo is interpreted as a 5-bar jump, so you can use it exactly as described. A couple of practical tips will make this smoother. If you press a key and nothing happens, your chart pane may not be active. Click once anywhere inside the chart area and try again. You can also keep a steady rhythm with your taps for consistent movement. On many keyboards, the square bracket keys sit to the right of the P key. If you use a non-US keyboard layout, their physical location may differ, but they'll still be labeled with the square bracket symbols. These shortcuts are designed to pan the visible window, so your drawn tools and indicators remain in place as you move. Use single-bar steps when you're analyzing bar-by-bar structure or lining up events precisely, and use the 5-bar jumps when scanning larger stretches of history or moving between key zones faster. Together, these two simple shortcuts give you efficient, repeatable control over chart navigation without reaching for the mouse or changing any settings. That's all you need to smoothly move your chart in TC2000. Brackets for 1-bar panning, and Shift plus brackets for 5-bar jumps. Try it on your favorite symbols and time frames, and you'll notice your analysis becoming faster and more deliberate.